everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I got a huge box from a fellow YouTuber, Susan from Twinkling Beauties. We decided to do a kind of secret Santa, except it wasn't secret. We're doing it for each other. Gift exchange. And this box, I can't even explain how big it is. Doesn't fit on camera. So I'm gonna put it off to the side and then adjust the camera real quick and show you guys what's inside. Boxes are here. Huge box. First thing I'm gonna do is figure out how to get these stickers off so I can keep them after. They're beautiful stickers. Okay. I'm just opening the box. And there's more stickers. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have to put this back under the camera. Look what she did. Let's see if you guys can see it. It says Merry, and I assume when I open it, Christmas. Can't even see that. So I will take a picture so you can see how cool that is, and I'll put it right here. And then I open it up, and the first thing is a beautiful Christmas card and a snowflake ornament. Very nice. Okay, and the Christmas card has stickers in it. She knows I love stickers. Ooh, bad girls. More stickers. Aww. Christmas must be coming, Pooh said to Piglet. I can already feel the merry. The very merriest of Christmas to you. She says, thanks for doing the swap with me. I had so much fun shopping for you. I hope we do it again soon. Your friend Susan over at Twinkling Beauties. And then may your Christmas be full of joy and laughter. All your gifts are numbered. Oh, okay. So, first up is the wonderful tissue paper. I'll just put that right here. So if they're numbered, I should open them by number, right? So, let's see. Very cute bag from the Christmas, or the Disney store. I think she spoiled me. There's so many boxes in here. Let's see if I can find number 1. Here's 3. This one doesn't have a number, but it's super cool looking. There's 4. 6, I'll put off to the side. 8. Oh, this one's big. 7. Oops. Dropped my keyboard. Number 1. Okay. She did so much work. And here's number 2. She did so much work in this that is ridiculous. I even love the little Mickey heads. I didn't wrap any of hers. Now I feel bad. So let's open this up. Oh, Mickey Mouse Club. Number 1, number 2. Ooh, this looks like an ornament. Look at that. I love Hallmark ornaments. That is gorgeous. Open it. Let's see what he looks like. Eeyore is my absolute favorite. How cool. Number 3. Just rip it. Look at that! Tangled. I think these are Pop-like. Yep, Funkos. Very cool. Number 4 is huge. What is this? Oh my goodness! It's the Aladdin Magic Carpet Ride movie moments from Funko Pop. She has absolutely spoiled me. Put this right, put this right over there. What number was that? 4? So I'm looking for 5. Number 5. Ooh, this one's heavy. Can't even guess what she put in these. She asked me so many questions. Our Adventure Scrapbook Photo Album. What? Oh, so pretty. Look at that. So this is from the movie Up, for those of you that don't know that. And it looks like it's a huge kit for scrapbooking. I'm so excited to put pictures of my husband and I in there. I totally lost track. That was 6. So now I'm on 7. Oh my goodness. Alright, where's my knife? It's buried in here somewhere. Oh my goodness. It's Jasmine and Raja. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I'm speechless. Okay, go right there. Number 8. Oh, this is 6. I missed 6. Sorry, I can't count when I'm excited. Number 6. I'll open 6 before 8. Yay! Look at this puzzle! There's a lot of different Disney movie or Mickey Mouse movies in there. Let's see. Very cool. Very cool. Oops, I was a little off camera there. I'm running out of space to show you guys. My goodness. Okay, now I'll open 8. Oh wow, this is a storybook purse. Wow, it actually looks like a leather-bound book. It is gorgeous. It's a lounge fly. That's what it looks like when you open it. It's even got a strap. That is very pretty. Can't figure out how to close it. Oh, try without the tags. There we go. That darn tag. There we go. Number 9. Oh, this one's heavy. Oh, that one's a little ice cream bar. This is the Steamboat Willie Lego set that I've been looking for. Oh my goodness, Susan. You have spoiled me so much. Thank you so much. There's one more little box. Number 10. It is a lighting kit for the Legos. That is so cool. I can't wait to get started. Thank you, Susan, so much. You definitely spoiled me. I can't wait to see your box and how you like the stuff that I've got for you. And thanks for watching, everybody. I will link Susan's video. Definitely check her out. She does a lot of unboxings, Disney unboxings, beauty and faith unboxings as well. So definitely check her out. And thanks for watching, and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you. There's this super cute "With all your heart, sing and make music from your heart to the Lord" little book. Encouragement for everyday living. Very cute. Really like the drawings. Sentiments are really cool. Very nice.